20 of the most loved, most ordered items from Amazon over the past couple of months. These are the things you all could not stop buying. And apparently you love them just as much as I do. We are going to jump right into it. As always, everything will be linked in the description below, pinned to the comments, or at the QR code on the screen. Let's check them out. We're going to kick it off with number one, which is no surprise because this product is amazing. The before and afters do not lie. This is the Outdoor Restorer by Rejuvenate. So you guys know I've talked about Rejuvenate for their window cleaner in the past. I love it. Truly the easiest way to clean your windows. Well, this product, another slam dunk. So if you have any area outside of your home, mailboxes, shutters, your grill, maybe like iron tables and chairs, so many things this can be used on, but if they're just starting to look dull, they've lost their shine, this product is gonna bring them back to life. I cannot get over how well this works. Now this comes in a liquid, which is what I have, or wipes. I do recommend wearing gloves, whichever you use, because it will leave kind of like a residue on your hands. Just use it with a microfiber cloth, wipe it on. I mean, it is gonna be night and day difference, and that shine lasts. I did mine several weeks ago. It's still going strong. So if you have outdoor areas that are just starting to look like they've lost their luster and you wanna bring them back to life again, try this product. It's so good. Number two, the manual bread slicer. So if you make your own sourdough or you buy whole loaves at the store, this is the easiest, best way to cut them. In the past, I used like a serrated knife and I never could get the thickness right. Some were thin, some were thick. It left crumbs and chunks taken out. It was a disaster. This has been the best solution that I have found. It suction cups to the counter, so it's not gonna go anywhere. Literally, you just put your bread there, turn the handle, it glides right through, and I love that you can adjust how thick or thin you get it as well. So if you need a good bread slicer, check this one out. Number three, the circuit breaker finder. If an unorganized circuit breaker drives you crazy like it did me, this is such a good solution. So with this, it comes with like two parts. The one part you plug into any outlet that you want to match to a circuit breaker. So I don't know about you, but we always, I feel like, have a rogue outlet that we're like, what breaker goes to that? Well, with this, you just plug the piece in, take the wand, go to your circuit breaker and scan over it, and it's going to beep at the one that it is attached to, so then you can label it. Now, a lot of them maybe are already pre-labeled. That's how ours was. So it was good to just be able to double check, but then we definitely had a ton of outlets with no label. We had no idea what it went to. Now everything is organized and tidy. Great for us, and if we ever sell our house down the road, it's gonna be really nice and organized for anybody in the future. This scrub brush and the mopping solution, I'll talk about that here in a second. So I love this scrub brush for getting a good, thorough deep clean of your floors, because a lot of times a regular mop or a vac mop, it's gonna get your floor clean, but if you have anything like stuck on there, you can go over and over and over it and it won't come up. So I love the bristles. They really get into the grout. They really loosen anything that is stuck on and give such a good deep clean. And then you can go back to your mop or your vac mop to maintain the floor until stuff gets stuck on there again. So I don't use this every time, every now and then for a good thorough clean. Now the mopping solution here is by the Pink Stuff, and I love it because you just squirt it. You don't have to rinse. I do, but technically with this, you don't have to. So you just squirt it. You can use this with any mop you want. Now, obviously my video here, I went heavy-handed and there's a lot on here. Now this was tile, so you can get a little more wet with tile. But if you have hardwoods or vinyl or laminate, you're not gonna wanna put this much liquid on there, just a very little bit. Mop it around. If you use this liquid with the scrub brush, you are gonna have to follow with a mop or a vac mop to clean up the liquid. But both the mop here and the mopping solution are total winners when it comes to getting your floors really clean. Number five, the bras by the brand OEAK. I've talked about these before. These are seamless. Truly feel like you're wearing nothing. They are so comfortable. They have no underwire, but they give the lift and support of underwire. I cannot say enough good things. They're really affordable, and I love a couple different types. So they have the deep V, which is great for V-necks or low-cut tops or even t-shirts. There's the jelly bra, that's one of their most popular, and a newer one, at least to me, is their mesh bra, which is similar to the others, just has like a little mesh design on the top of the cups. But if you need good, affordable bras that really hold up and are so comfortable, they feel like you're wearing nothing, check out this brand. I think you will absolutely love them. Number six, this puffy art set by Shuttle Art. I've shared this in the past. This is such a good one. Anytime, rainy days, summer, but if you're running out of things to do in the summer, check this one out. So what these are, they're really compressed sponges, but whenever you draw on them and then add water to any of the parts you want, they puff up. So kids think it is so cool because, like you're seeing in the video here, the ice cream cone or the popcorn, you color the designs, they have pre-made ones, or you can do your own, and then the kids think it's just so fun and awesome to puff up only certain parts, and they stay puffed up. It's honestly so fun. My son loved this. I had fun doing this with him. It's a good little craft kit. It'll come with the markers and like several of the art pieces, whether pre-drawn or blank, and then down the road you can always buy refills if you need. Number 7, the shoe bags for travel. I know I just recently shared these in a video, but these were a hot commodity, and for good reason, because who wants dirty, disgusting shoes in their suitcase touching clean clothes? So with these, you get several to a pack. They fit everything from flip-flops to sneakers to boots, and I like that they're transparent so you can see what's inside each bag, but this way your dirty shoes stay away from your clean clothes. So if you travel a lot, these are a must. And then speaking of shoes, these slip-on sneakers, I told you before when I shared these that I had my doubts with these pulling them out of the box. I thought that they seemed like they were gonna be like moon shoes, like a little high. Y'all, I absolutely love these. They're so comfortable. I love a slip-on. I don't know what it is. The older I get, I don't wanna have to mess with laces, especially traveling or just running around. So it's so nice. They're easy to slip on and off. They come in lots of different colors and perfect for travel, but I wear these for the gym or walking our neighborhood. If you need good shoes, they're so comfortable. You could wear them all day, no blisters, no discomfort, 10 out of 10. Number 9, a natural way to keep bugs away outside of your home. This is Diatomaceous Earth. If you've ever heard about this, it is a powder. Now, the one I'm gonna link below does come with a little duster, but I'm also gonna link my little duster bulb. I just feel like it's a little bit better quality, but the powder itself comes with a duster. It just makes it easier to apply around your home. But really, if you have an issue with bugs, you're just gonna wanna take this, put it around doors and window frames, anywhere where you feel like bugs might be getting in. It's supposed to kill up to 100 plus, not up to 100, 100 plus crawling insects. For me, that's spiders and centipedes that I'm trying to keep away, but ants, anything like that. You can also put this around plants. It's safe in your garden. So it has a ton of uses, but I love that it is natural, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, you have to watch with Diatomaceous Earth. You always want to make sure you're getting a food grade one, especially if you're going to be putting it around plants or, your garden or anything like that. But such an easy solution to keep those critters at bay. Number 10, the latest chargers from Rory. Really, any of the Rory chargers are always a big hit. These are the best portable chargers if you need a good one. What I love about these is they can charge an Apple Watch or headphones or obviously your phone, and they have 2 different cords. So no matter the style of your phone, if you have a newer one or an older one, there's gonna be a port to be able to charge it. They show the battery life, and typically you can take a phone from 0 to 100 and still have charge left over on the charger. So whether you have sporting events, you're just traveling, concerts, amusement parks, anywhere where you're worried about your phone battery dying throughout the day, so good to have a portable charger on hand. Also great for power outages, and any by Rory are so good. Their latest lineup is really cute too. Number 11, the Dupre steamer for cleaning. Okay, I held out on getting this for so long because I always just had like a little handheld steamer that I loved. But where the Dupre shines, it is a little pricey, I will say, but the water tank is a really good size. So you can knock out so much cleaning before you have to refill this. And I just love the attachments. This is gonna have truly an attachment for everything. It's a great way to clean maybe dirty stoves or ovens or grout, or even be able to steam your curtains or upholstery. So if you need a good steamer, I would look into this one. It's worth the investment if you want to do a lot of cleaning with steaming and without harsh chemicals. Steam cleaning is one of the best ways to clean. It really powers through a lot of messes. So the Dupre, I can say, is worth the hype. And then speaking of cleaning, number 12, this Flexi Clamp Mop. I actually have 2 that I'm gonna show you here. Either one is great. What's nice with this is you can use it with any microfiber cloth, and you just push down. It's gonna clamp that cloth into place, hold on to it so it's not falling off as you're cleaning. And you can use this obviously for your floors, walls, baseboards, glass shower doors, windows, all over. And it's just a good multi-use cleaning tool versus having to have one tool for all these areas around your home. Now, the other one I'm gonna link here is the same idea. However, the middle piece pops out and it basically gives you a smaller version of the mop, which is nice for maybe mirrors or smaller parts of a glass shower door, or just maybe getting into tight spaces on the floor. So either one, you can't go wrong. Number 13, I am not surprised, press-on nails. Now, I love the ones by Impress or by OPI. Fly or the Kiss brand. There's so many good ones out there. And this trend is really catching on, and for good reason, because it saves you money, it saves you time, not having to go to the salon. They're so easy to do at home. And if you keep your nails long, it's really easy because you can just apply them. If you cut them short, you can still cut them. That's what I do, and file them down. But they look like you had your nails done at a salon. But like I said, so much cheaper and saves you time. Now, pro tip, and I will also link these as well. If you don't want to use the glue, in my experience, so they make ones that come already with the little glue tabs already on there. Those are great, but they're limited in their colors. They don't have a lot of selection. So I love the OPI ones because they have a broad range of colors. However, they use glue, and I can't do the glue. I have a sensitivity to it or an allergy, and my cuticles get inflamed and itchy, and it's crazy. So what I do is I use those nails, but I ditch the glue, and I buy these sticky glue tabs. You get a pack of like 600 of them on Amazon, which I will link, and you just apply those to your nail, like that to your nail first, and then apply the nail, and then trim if you need. It is so easy, and they last a good long time. And if one does come off, you can just get another sticky tab and reapply it. But mine stay on a good while, and that's with cleaning a lot and doing dishes every night. But I just cannot say enough good things. I love me a press-on nail. Number 14, this cabinet cleaner spray. This is just great to keep in your kitchen for greasy spots or smudges, and just anytime you want to give your cabinets a good clean, but you don't want to bust out like the mop and bucket and have to make it a whole thing. This comes with a scrub brush, so if yours are like mine and have like grooves, you can easily get in there. So I'd always keep this under the sink in the kitchen, and then, you know, when I'm cleaning up the kitchen at night, if I notice there's splatter or there's greasy spots, certain times of day, the way the sun hits one spot, you're like, oh my gosh, I totally missed that mess. Where did that come from? This makes it so easy to just wipe them clean quickly. Number 15 keeps selling out. Hopefully it is back in stock whenever I share this, but this is a roll-on face mask. Now, I have the white version, but there is like obviously the charcoal one as well. There's a couple different ones, but I love this clay mask because it's so easy to apply. Typically with masks, you know, you gotta put it in your hand, rub it on, your hands are a mess. With this, it glides right on, and then you just let it sit a little bit till it hardens, and then wipe it off. It's supposed to shrink your pores. I don't know if it really does all that, but I do feel like it gets out the impurities. I like to do this once a week, just, you know, to remove all the dirt and gunk and give my skin a good deep clean. And again, I just love how easy and non-messy it is. Number 16, I purchased at the beginning of summer, and it's one of those things that every time I use it, I am like, thank goodness I bought this. It makes my life so much easier. So if you've ever gone to attach your hose to the spigot outside, you know, trying to line up the threads sometimes, you wrestle with it and it's annoying. So this little handy adapter, one end goes to the spigot, one end goes to your hose, and all you gotta do is connect them together. And then when you need the hose disconnected, you pull down on it and pull it right off. It is so easy. It is a dream. No more wrestling with trying to twist it on manually. This is a better solution. And then, while we're speaking of it along those same lines, number 17, this is an adapter that you can put onto the spigot outside that turns it into a little fountain if you need a way to fill buckets or wash something off, but then you can also still use your hose. That part can come out of it too. So I absolutely love this. This thing sells out all the time. At the time that I'm filming this, it is back in stock. It is like $10, so affordable. So hopefully it's in stock whenever you are seeing this, but it is just a great little multi-use tool to have with your hose outside. And then number 18, these toilet cartridges that go into your toilet tank. I cannot get enough of these. Actually just bought more to put in every toilet around our home, because once you use these, you're gonna be so spoiled. You are gonna find that you are cleaning your toilet so much less often because of this. So this just goes in the tank. Every time you flush, it brings a little cleaner along with it. And then the water that's in your toilet has that cleaner in it as well. And so it just is gonna keep it clean so much longer. The ring around the toilet takes a lot more time to form. It's not that you're never gonna have to clean the toilet, but it's gonna be a lot less often. I cannot say enough good things. So if you're trying to, you know, clean toilets a little less or save yourself some time from cleaning, check out this product. There is also a septic safe version that, if available, I will link as well. Number 19 is this sink stopper with a basket to catch anything that might fall down the drain, but also hair to prevent clogs. And it's so easy to install. And all you do is drop it in there. And then whenever you need to close it, you just push down on it, open it, push it again, and it opens right up. So if you're sick of losing things down the sink or having clogs all the time, I would check this out. And lastly, number 20, one of my favorites for travel. You all love this too. This is a hanging strip, I'm calling it, but this is such a great way to gain hanging space whenever you travel. Obviously perfect in the summer for hanging towels or bathing suits, but I mean, even anywhere, if you just have limited space, it's a great way to be able to hang multiple things, and it just simply wraps around like a towel bar or a bar in a closet as well. And they do, I believe, come 2 to a pack. All right, and that does it. Just 20 of the latest favorites, most loved, most ordered Amazon finds from the past couple of months that I thought I would share in case you find them useful too. As always, everything is linked in the description below, pinned to the comments, or at the QR code on the screen, and I will see you in my next video.